Hey, what is up, guys? This is Harsh video on show called Harsh Vlogs, and welcome back to my vlog. Let's start the video with a new intro. Today's video topic is all about Flywire, how you can pay to your university via the Flywire, using the Flywire, or etc. 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 So my motive was to make a good video instead of going on the bad content which I made earlier, but that has been reached like 23,000 views in just like 7 or 8 months. So I was thinking to make a good video on the Flywire so that I can gain some more views. Okay, so more views means more money right now. So let's start to the main topic. And now, not at all, more money is not my main topic. My main topic or my main aim is to teach you guys all perfectly. In the previous video I just showed you few steps. Now I'm going to show you in detail. I'm not going to pay right now because I don't need to pay. I already paid by myself. I don't need to pay through through Flywire right now. I don't need to pay it, but I'll in future, if I get some clients, they will need to pay through the Flywire. I'll show you a detailed version. So currently I'm just explaining in a bit good details. So first of all, if you need to pay your fees, go to the flywire.com. Let's talk about the questions which people asked me in the previous video. Like in the previous video, some people asked me about like what about the responsibility, because they are going to pay by themselves. Like me as a student, I paid my fees through Flywire without any agent support. What risk do you face when you pay without an agent, and what will be your responsibilities when you are going to pay by yourself through the Flywire? Okay, so when I could vividly remember that when I paid my fees, I was 100% sure that every responsibility is on my head, whether that's going to reach to the destination or not. It's all going to be on my head. So I should be that much responsible and mature what I'm doing on and what details I'm filling. I should be very clear, and I should be very double checking at every point, and I should be checking all the details of the destination. So let's go back to the questions. So people ask me about the responsibility on their head. So if you pay by yourself, like agent takes thousands of commissions on the payment through the Flywire. So they have like between communication with the payment methods operators like Flywire, Western Union. So they give some like commission, but they cut down commission from your money. So paying fees for any country like Canada, UK, USA, Australia, any country. So your agent gets a commission when you pay through their services like Flywire, Western Union, because they get money, they get commission on the every single dollar. So I don't recommend to pay by agent because that will be very much costly. If I talk about me, when I wanted to pay my fees, I asked my agent. He showed me a receipt. He generated a receipt. My agent generated a payment receipt, but which was around like 11 lakhs and 50,000 more. So it was 50,000 more added in the commission. I don't know how and why it has happened. I think Flywire should be responsible for all of that things, because they shouldn't be adding commission for the agent, and this much commission is not acceptable. Because we can accept the 20,000 or 10,000 extra charges, as we know that this is the foreign transfer, and foreign transfer takes some more money because of the currency exchange rate. So that is possible, but the difference of 50,000 or 1 lakh, that is not acceptable. Even my agent convinced me that he won't be responsible for anything if my visa get rejected. So I need to get refund by myself. He won't help me in any steps. About the risk that are attached with the Flywire when you pay by yourself. Just like if you're paying by yourself, and if any details incorrect, if any of the details are incorrect, then the payment will be stuck at the destination source or destination bank. So he explained me very well, and thanks to him I paid by myself, and I didn't got any mistakes, and even my visa didn't got rejected at all. So my main thing and my motive is to teach students about how to pay that money online, so that they can save tons of money on their foreign exchanges, and they can even take the responsibility on their head, can even get the responsibility on their head. So about the risk of loss of money, so don't worry. if by any chance if you have entered any wrong details in the application of Flywire or anything which you done in the RTGS method, so don't worry, your payment will be returned back within 5 to 7 days. So first of all, Flywire promises 5 to 7 days return if you have entered any incorrect details, or if the destination source doesn't accept your money. So they have a refund policy, they will refund your money. They have a refund policy, they will refund 100% of your money to your destination, to your bank account from which you made the payment. So don't worry about the risk, there are no risk attached with the Flywire. uh, Flywire has 24 by 7 support service. That's very good. I even use that service and they even help me to make the payment reach very faster. They deliver my payment very faster to the destination source. So I think that's okay. If you have some experience in this field, so you can do your payment online by yourself, and it's amazing thing by yourself. If you're paying by yourself, you will get experience and you will get to know about each process that are attached with the immigrations or immigration rules. Even you will get to know about the immigration rules and regulations, so you will get to know about each and every step. So I should suggest every student that you should pay your fees by yourself through Flywire or any sources. Don't give agent tons of commission. That's not a good thing. You should it's just cheaper about me. If I had paid my fees through my agent, I should be giving him 11 lakhs and 50,000, but instead I paid my fees by myself, and even at that time the exchange rate was bit lower, so I got a very cheaper rate. I just paid 10 lakh 99,500 rupees. That is very much cheaper, guys. So I should be suggesting everyone that you should pay your fees by yourself through the Flywire. That very easy process, that's very convenient for every user. That's made that every user can access this website. Even that's not in much detail, you just need to enter the destination source details, IFSC code, your student number, so that it reaches to your main account instead of going to anywhere else, or or stuck at the destination bank. So don't worry about anything, there are no risk attached with this. It is a risk free transaction, so don't worry about anything. At this point I might say like my words are not concrete, because sometimes some user makes some silly mistakes that may be harmful for the Flywire company and for the student himself also. So I might be saying this is not a concrete word, but yeah, from my experience, what I have seen, 99% of users get success in this process, but 0.1% of students get stuck at the processes, like they need to go to bank or they need to get refund from the destination bank. So that are the 0.01 cases that I think not everyone is in that case, because everyone is now technophile, so they know about each and every steps, and they confirm. And as I said earlier, you need to double check every information on your own. So do it on your own risk. That my words are not concrete, but yes, as per what I learned, I think this is the easiest way that how you can send your money to the to your university. So after this long much bhashan, I'm just going to give you a small 5-minute demo how you can send your money. There are tons of options available, get a demo, etc, etc. You just need to go to sign up now. Okay, so click on sign up. That will show you some options to create an account. I already have my account with Flywire, so I don't need to create a new account, but you just need to create account. Just that's just 5 more. That's just like first name, family name, email, confirm email, password. That's so easier. Then just go to the make payment. So whenever you go to the make a payment, you will see this option, start typing institution's name. So if I want to search about any institution, like I'm searching for the Canadian University, that is Thomson Rivers University, so I'm going to just type here Thomson. Yeah, that's the Thomson Rivers University. I'm just going to tap on that, just continue. So then you will reach at this payment where you can see that is Cohort Go and Flywire company. So Cohort Go is the mediator between the Flywire and your destination, that is Thomson Rivers University in our case right now. So Cohort Go, so Flywire will transfer your money to the Cohort Go services. They will transfer your money to the Thomson Rivers University. I see that as the mediator. You can see that's the mediator. and if you use your agent, that will be three parties. So third party will be your agent, so that you will be paying more commission if you're paying by your agent. So you just need to connect, you just need to tap here and select your country. Like if you're paying from India, you can select India. And I want to send like money, that is like in our case we can think about the university, that's the university, so that can be having $19,000 per annum fees. So just click next. Whenever you click next, you will see tons of payment methods available on the Flywire. So what I suggest everyone, that look after to every payment, because you will see many difference. Just like here, you can see domestic bank transfer takes 11,66,569.78 rupees. However, domestic bank transfer with paper A2 form, that takes 11,74,617.43. So only two methods are currently available if you want to pay with the cohort go right now. So you can see you can do bank transfer via electronic A2 form or paper A2 form. That both form are very different, that maybe on the taxes, like paper A2 form have more taxes or electronic A2 have less. And the option which I did selected was paying by another currency. Okay, so I was amazed when I saw the money. So if you think if you look at here right now, that's in USD. If you just need to go to the USD to INR conversion, search for this. So first, if you so just tap on I want to pay in another currency, which I did in my case. Tap on that, because there is much difference between your currency and others, more difference like in INR and other currency. So I did this. So in my case I did this, I paid by USD, and the destination source received in dollars, so in CAD, so Canadian dollars. So I did USD option. If you see currently that USD is 14,110.67. If I just type in here 14,117, so that is 11,53,641 rupees. And if you pay by your bank from India, that is 11,66,000. So that is 10,000 difference. You see guys, that helps every student. My motive is to help every students and help save their money. So right now if you pay by USD, that is more convenient option, because it saves you 12 or 30,000 for you. That's not a big amount for a student, I know, but that will help you to at the later on stage. Like if you want to buy some bags, if you want to buy some clothes for you, like for the international journey, if you want to buy that clothes, that will be helpful. That 12,000 can give you clothes, your shoes, or winter jackets, winter shoes, anything like that. So that can help you, and that savings help you here when you come here. So that helps you. So I suggest everyone to check every currency. Like here in my case I saved 72,000 nearly. So you can just expect that you can also save by just going through this option. So next step is you select this option. Like if in our case we will be selecting this international bank transfer. If I go to this page, that will give me verify student identity, just like passport, given name as per the passport, family name, date of birth, phone number, email, then passport number, street address, passport invoice, invoice from your invoice from your institution. Attach all that things, then select the pairs. Select the pair means the pair details. I'm not going to that page because I need to enter my details right here, and I don't want to give you my details, but I'm just going to explain these details in a few steps. Like if you go to the select pair page, that is the fourth one, that will show you the pair details you need to enter. Like you need to enter details of your pair, if you're paying for your mother's account, if you're paying from your father's account, if you're paying for your from your own account, that will that you need to enter in the pair. Select pair details, so that they can claim the tax and they can adjust the tax in the amount which you are going to pay. Right now I'm going to share a bonus tip with you that is very useful for you. The bonus tip is whenever you pay with Flywire, Western Union, even if you paid by your agent, giving him more commission, but even if you have paid by any of the sources, you can claim your pay or claim your tax back as per the TCS rule. Like students can claim the taxes that are cutted down, like you can just claim your money back, like taxes if you're paying more than 7 lakhs or 10 lakhs amount in fees, so that will be like 10 that will be like 3% tax TCS on the international transfer, but you can claim that in the income tax year like 2023 2024. When you are filling your ITR, you just need to enter the tax that will be claimed back to your account, so you don't need to worry about anything. The student told me like they have taxes 10,000, 13,000, 14,000. Don't worry about that, that will be claimed back in your ITR, but you need to give a settlement, give a proof that has paid fees, or student's father has paid fees, or etc etc. You need to give the PAN card details or etc, so that they can claim the money back, and they can transfer the money back to your account. That's all for today, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video in more detail and in more advanced version of Flywire. I think this video should also be reached at like 23,000 views. More than that, I'm expecting more than that. And if you have enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. Share with the students, so that they can get to know about this process, and they can even save their money, they can invest in a betterments. My motive was to give a good content to you guys, and always remember, my words are not always the concrete. As I said earlier, that's are not the concrete video. I'm not the professional one, I'm just an experienced person. If you need some advice on the payments or etc, you can ask me, I can give you some advice, but my advice is not always a professional. You need to consult a professional one if you're going to transfer your money by yourself. Okay, so that's all for today. Meet you soon in the next video. Hopefully I'll be making videos in next week. So bye bye, tata. तो आज की वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, एंड एज ऑलवेज तीखे रास्तों पे नहीं पड़ना फीका। बाय बाय।